So today's video is coming from my kitchen, and obviously if I'm in my kitchen you can probably tell what video I'm filming. I'm filming a bake with me video. Now I've never done one of these on my channel, so I don't know how well it's going to go, and I am cheating a little bit because I'm using a baking mix. So today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies, and I'm going to show you. Excuse the mess in this cupboard. I'm going to be using this cookie mix from Aldi. So yeah, triple chocolate cookie mix. It serves 8 people, and all you have to do is add butter. Now I'm one of those people that are really lazy when it comes to baking, but I'm also not a good baker. So yeah, when it comes to baking, I go for the mixes because you just can't go wrong with a mix. So yeah, today we're going to bake some cookies. So if you'd like to stick around and watch more of this video, then please remember to go and give me a like and comment down below what your favourite thing to bake is. Check out all my social medias because I do actually have a baking highlight on Instagram. If you would like to go and check out all of my really bad baking skills, then check out that. I'll link them down below as well as on the screen. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we've got our ingredients here. So we need, how many? 70 grams of softened butter, which I've done. I just put it in the microwave for like 5 seconds just to soften it up. And then the recipe says to have a dash of milk. This obviously is not a dash of milk, but you know, I had no way to put a dash of milk, so it's in there for now. And then to actually cut our cookies out with, I'm using a star because I don't actually have any other cookie cutters, so I'm probably going to do a few stars and a few just plain circles. We've got a rolling pin to roll the dough out. I'm not a good dough roller either, so you know. And then just our plain flour over here to put on the surface. So first thing I'm going to do is wash my hands, because you have to wash your hands when you bake, don't you? So I'll be back. Literally all you do is pour this packet into here, pour in the butter, a little bit of milk, and then whisk it all together. So that's what we're going to do. I also might add a little bit of chocolate into this just because, to make it a bit nicer. I don't know if we've got any chocolate chips. We'll see. I always make a mess as per usual. Don't you, George? Yes, you do. It's actually quite a very small mixture for what it is. So then we add in the butter. Sloppy butter. Ugh. Anybody else hate that? That's what I use in the fridge. I'm going to put some Terry's chocolate orange in them. Because why not? Now this could be a really big fail with what I'm doing. Or it could turn out really well. But who knows? We'll find out once I've baked it. Next thing we have to do is mix together to form a dough-like consistency. Right. Get my whisk. I may need that splash of milk in a minute. And we whisk it. And now we have to just roll this out. Now to me this feels really sticky, so I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. I'm kind of just eyeballing, a bit too much. I'm just eyeballing this now because, you know, I don't really go by instructions when I bake, to be fair. So once we get this into our dough, it's gonna look something like this. I wish I had one of those ones that go, this is one I done earlier, but I don't. So with this, I'm just gonna pour the rest onto the table. Spread it out. This is a clean surface, by the way. I cleaned it before you all moan at me. So now we're just gonna put a bit more flour on the top. This is what my nan always taught me, was to put flour on the top, a bit of flour in your hand, and then a bit of flour onto your rolling pin, and you roll it out. Now I made these last time and the whole thing just collapsed on me. flour makes it non-stickable. I don't actually know. This could be one hell of a fail of a video. So my camera actually died, but this was the end result of the cookies. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!